So we have already completed degree of elasticity of demand, measurement of elasticity of demand by proportion method or percentage method, and total expenditure method. So that is the third method, that is known as geometric method. So how we can measure the elasticity with the help of this method? First of all, I have taken two axes, y and x. AB is a demand line, or you can say AB is a segment. Okay, so if AB is a segment, then what will happen at different level of this segment? So there is a simple formula, that is lower segment divided by upper segment is equal to elasticity of demand. So this is a very common formula. Okay, so on that formula we can determine what will be the situation of elasticity of demand at different point. So suppose AB is a segment and its mid value is, suppose this is the mid value. Okay, so at point C, so what will be the elasticity of demand at point C? So at point C, the lower segment is CB, or you can say BC. Lower segment divided by upper segment is equal to BC divided by AC. So here BC is equals to AC. So if both are equal, suppose that is 5 centimeter divided by 5 centimeter. So when you will cut, what will be the value of 1? So here ED we have calculated how much? 1. So we can write here ED is equal to 1. Is it clear? Now if we come below the C point, like any point from the C, if we go to below, that is the suppose D point. So at D point what will happen? So D point, our lower segment has become smaller in respect of upper segment. So here at point D, ED is equal to lower segment divided by upper segment. So lower segment is DB divided by upper segment A to D, AD. So here DB is smaller than AD. So suppose let the value of DB is equal to 4 centimeter and the value of AD is equal to 5 centimeter. So what will happen? 4 divided by 5 is equal to 0.8. So we can say ED is less than 1. Okay, so if we move towards the, suppose at point E, here E is the point, so what will happen? So at the lower segment here, at point E, ED is equal to lower segment divided by upper segment. Is it clear? So lower segment is how much? That is EB divided by upper segment AE. Okay, so here EB is greater than AE. So let EB is equal to 6 and AE is equal to 4, then what will happen? 6 divided by 4 is equal to 1.5. Okay, so here this value is greater than 1, so we can write here ED is greater than 1. Okay, now come to the point A. So at point A, what will happen?
आवाज आ जाएगा.
At point A. At point A, again ED is equal to lower segment divided by upper segment. So what will happen? Lower segment is AB and upper segment at point A, that is 0. So here any number divided by 0 will become infinite. Okay, so here ED is equal to infinite. Now come to the point B. At point B, ED is equal to lower segment divided by upper segment is equal to lower segment is how much? That is 0, and upper segment is, that is AB. So 0 divided by any number is equal to 0. So at point B, ED is equal to 0. So in this way, we can measure the elasticity of demand through geometry method. Okay. Now come to the new topic. Okay, so our new topic is factors affecting elasticity of demand. So what are the factors which affects the elasticity of demand? So first factor is the nature of commodity. Okay, so there are basically three kinds of commodity. One is known as essential or necessary goods, other is known as comfort, and next one is known as luxurious goods. Okay, so here there are three kinds of goods. One is, that is the essential. Next is comfort and luxury goods. Okay, so here there are three kinds of goods. So essential goods is inelastic, comfort goods is elastic, and it is highly elastic. So how we can say that it is inelastic, elastic and highly elastic? So in case of here we can take luxury goods, example LED TV. Here that is fan. And inelastic, that is essential, that is the wheat and rice. Is it clear? So there are three kinds of goods. So this is wheat and rice is most essential commodity for the survival of the life. So even its price increase, however, the people are ready to buy, and when its price will fall, however, they are ready to buy. They are not interested to make a stock. In case of comfort goods, it is elastic. Why it is elastic? Because poor people are not ready to buy fan at higher price, and when its price will fall, they are ready to buy. But in case of luxury goods such as LED TV, so without the use of LED TV, a person can survive their life. So when its price falls, a number of people are interested to buy and its demand increases at a faster rate. On the other hand, when its price rises, its demand fall because a lots of people are not interested to buy that goods. Is it clear? Now come to the next, income of the consumer. Second point, that is the income of the consumer. So as we know that there are two group of people in the society. One is the rich and other is poor. Is it clear? So if there are a number of rich people, what will happen? It will not affect the price. Price will not affect. Is it clear? And here poor people highly affected. Highly affected. So it is affected highly. So here that is high elastic. So it will come under high elastic and it will come under inelastic. So we can explain that income of the consumer also affects the elasticity of demand. If more number of rich people are available, in that case the elasticity of demand will be inelastic, and more number of poor peoples are available, in that case it will be highly elastic, because at higher price they are not interested to buy the goods, and even at higher price the rich people are ready to buy goods. Okay, next, that is the price of the commodity. Price of the commodity. So there are two kinds of price. One is the high price and other is low price. So low price and high price depends on different kinds of goods. So take here, suppose LED TV, computer and other luxurious goods. So if its price rise, demand falls. Demand falls. So demand will fall, and slight fall in the price, demand increases at a faster rate. So price is the most important factor for comfort and luxury goods. So these are comes under the luxury goods. So these goods is directly affected due to price. But in case of salt, not salt, we can say again the same thing, wheat and rice. So what will happen? Even the price increase or decrease, price is increasing, there is no effect on demand. No effect on demand. And price falls, okay, slight change in demand. Okay, so it does not affect due to price, and that's why it will come under inelastic goods. Inelastic good. Okay, now come to the next point. I think that is the number of substitute goods. Number of substitute goods. So if there are more number of goods are available, means availability of goods also we can say. If more number of substitute goods are available, then what will happen? It will be highly elastic. Highly elastic. How you can say it is highly elastic? So suppose that is the, we can take here some example like soft drink, okay, such as Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up, and a number of soft drinks are available. So if one's price increases, what will happen? Demand for other will increase. So that is the most important. So why the demand of other soft drinks has increased? Because the price of one soft drink has increased. So here number of substitutes are available. We are ready to buy in place of Pepsi, that is Coke. We are ready to buy Thumbs Up, 7-Up, and so on. And that's why we can say if there are more number of substitute goods are available, it will be highly elastic, and if there is no substitute, it will be very less elastic. For example, here we can take the example of also salt. So salt has no substitute, and due to that it is perfectly inelastic because people has no choice to buy that goods. So in this way we can explain the factors affecting the demand, and a number of factors are also affected such as habits. Habit is also important. So how habits change the elasticity of demand. So if we have positive relation with any goods, so either price rise, no change in demand, so in both the cases, either the price increase or either the price decrease, there will no change in demand. So in case of it is inelastic. But if I have the negative attitude or negative relation with habits, so either price rises, we are not ready to buy, so demand falls. Is it clear? And if the price falls, the demand will increase. So in that case it is inelastic, whereas it is highly elastic. So in this way there are a number of factors which affects the elasticity of demand, and I hope you will be you are able to understand and will able to explain. And if you will go through any book, you will find more number of factors. Is it clear? I think it will be suitable how to explain the if factors which affects the elasticity of demand. Okay, thank you.